Hi all, today we are discussing how we can use Google Colab. So what is Google Colab? Google Colab is an acronym for Google Collaboratory. So what is Google Colab? So it is like a Jupyter notebook and it has some bonus features. It is hosted by Google. Only we have to require a Google account. I think everybody has Google account. So only the requirement is you have a Google account. No installation is required. Network speed is very fast. We can write Python code directly inside the browser. It is notebook file stored. We can store the notebook file in Google Drive. That's all about this Google Colab. So how we can work in Google Colab? So how we can work on Google Colab? So you just type Google Colab on your Google search, then you can see colab.research.google.com. then click on Google Colab. There is one pop-up has been opened which shows us what are the recent notebook file we have used. So I didn't use any notebook files, so we cannot see any files here. There is some example has been given. You can access the Google Drive files directly from here, or you can import code from GitHub, or you can upload any code from your system. Just choose file from here. So there is a number of ways we can start working in Google Colab. So just I cancel it. So this is the one way to enter into Colab. I am opening a new tab for Google Drive, and I am opening my Google Drive here. If you don't have any Google account, you can do the same procedure. So how to add our Google Colab in our Google Drive? So first of all, we have to add new. Click on the add new. So here come to the more. So if you already done your Google Colab, you added the Google Colab to your drive, you can see here. Now I am not added, so I come to connect more apps, and here I search for collaboratory, then enter. Then I am adding. This app can be used directly from Google Drive to create or edit files. I am adding here. Then go to install. Continue. So installed and OK. Click OK. Done. Close. Then we can find here our Google Colab is here. So successfully installed our Google Colab. So let me just click on it. and it will create a brand new Jupyter notebook. Now we can rename here TS. So let's start. So there are you can see that there is two cells, one is code cell and other is test cell. We can start with the test cell. So for that I click on the test cell. Here you can write any test or comment, whatever you want to add to your program you can write here. And let me write a very simple test. This is title. I am writing this is title. Okay, this is my test which I wrote. So here you can see the preview of whatever I write here. We have three levels of heading. This is the first level. We can change it to the other level. This is second level, and this is third level. So I make it to my first level heading. So here the normal formatting options for the test, that is bold, italics, whatever you want, you can make it simply by clicking on bold. You can make your test bold, or you can make it as italics like this on your program. So I am removing bold and italics. This is used to add any code related to this test. You can add by simply clicking on this. If you want to write to find a program, you want to do this. So then you can see our normal hyperlink. You can insert hyperlink to your program. You can add images and usual options like indentation, bullet point, and if you want to add some horizontal line, you can add here. So this about the test cell. This is the test kind of cell. To execute this test kind of cell, you have to make shift enter. I am pressing the shift and then I press enter. So my test is executed. Okay. This test cell is used to give title some of comment that what your code is all about, so that you are using the test cell. Now we can go to code cell and clicking on the code cell. This is my code cell. I type a normal program, that is print hello world. I want to run this program, so I simply clicking here, or you can go for control enter, or you can click this play button. I am clicking this play button. Oh, T is not here, so I am going to delete this program and adding a code print and hello world. Hello world. Hello world. So after writing this program, I am clicking, I either click on this run cell, or you can click control plus enter. So I am clicking this play button to run my program. So I am just clicking this play button. my program output is come correctly. So if you want to use some other code, just mathematical operation like 4 plus 5 is equal to applying, and we will get the correct answer. So it's working. That's about the coding session of this Jupyter notebook. Here on the top right corner you can see that there is RAM and hard disk has been allocated. So this is how you can get started with Google Colab or Google Cloud environment. Now there are number of other options are available, like from file you can create a new Python 3 file, you can upload a new notebook file from your local machine, you can save a copy to GitHub, you can download it in two different format, .ipynb file or .py file. Apart from that, there are number of other useful options are available, like inserting cell, inserting test, like that. You can change the runtime from here. Here you can change the runtime. Here you can accelerate, hardware accelerator. There are two options, GPU or TPU, and none option is there. None means you are using your CPU. So I am going with that CPU. Let's continue with the CPU as if done. Can start. From the tools, the number of setting options are available, like if you want to change the theme, font size, all about that. So this is all about Google Colab. I hope all of you understand this Google Colab tutorial. Thank you.